Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Epic Game account. Let's say if you for one reason or the other decide to delete your Epic Game account, which is also connected to your Fortnite account. We also have Rocket League and Twoguysfinance also connected. Let's say you want to delete it for whatever reason and decide to do it. First of all, from the browser, type in epicgames.com. Bring you to this place. After you sign in with your credentials, you see account settings. This is the first option here. Then in your account settings, scroll all the way down until you see delete account. So if you click request account delete, which is this one, start the process of permanently deleting your Epic Games account, including all your personal information, purchases, game progress, in-game content, Unreal projects, and Epic Games wallet account. Once your Epic Games account is deleted, the wallet balance will also permanently deleted. Now, if you request to delete your account will be deleted in 14 days, so you have 2 weeks. During this time, you can log in to reactivate your account, which will cancel the deletion. But if after 40 days you haven't done that, your account deletion will be irreversible. So click on request account deletion. So still asks you to confirm, are you sure you want to delete your Epic Games account? If you're having problems, you can simply contact player support by clicking here who can help you. It will insist you click on delete account. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, don't forget to channel for more.